In this video, I'm going to reveal my 12 best ways to make money online for free. Now, each of the methods or each of the ways that I list in this video are ways that I've actually made some money. So I'm going to reveal them and actually give you some tips on how to do it too. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which ones I like the most and how to start successfully for 2022. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, I want to list my 12 best ways that you can make money online for free. Before we get going, comment down below some of your favorite ways that you've tried and had made some money, you found some success, and let us know down below. Maybe I'm missing one, we'll add it to the list for next year, but let's go ahead and get right into it. Right now you see on your screen YouTube. Now, I talk about YouTube a lot because I think there is lots of opportunity within YouTube to make money for 2022 and going forward. If you look at my screen here, you can see there are a variety of niches, everything from teaching people different languages to teaching people affiliate marketing, how to start a blog, talking about their journey, how to lose weight. And within these opportunities, there are different ways to make money. You can sell your own course. You can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. You can make money with affiliate marketing and sponsorships and brand deals. There's so many ways that you can make money within YouTube. And everyone starts off at zero. And as long as you are creating content consistently and striving to get better, there is opportunity. So what you need to do is just simply pick a niche and go out there and create content. Nothing will happen for you until you start creating that content. You start creating content, you will find success. YouTube is my favorite way, one of my favorite ways. Now, the cool thing with YouTube is you can actually start with your cell phone. And if you don't want to start with your cell phone, you don't want to be on camera, you could start with Canva, or you can use different apps, different free apps like Pexels or Pixelbay and create voiceover videos, or you can use actually animation. There's just so many ways that you can get started for free and you don't actually have to spend $1 unless you want to. All you can do, all you need to do is record your audio right from your phone or use a microphone that you've got laying around and then put some B-roll over the top of it. And there you go. You've got a YouTube video and you have a YouTube channel. Number 2 is with affiliate marketing. Now, as you know, affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. Now, for affiliate marketing, I've actually picked out, or I've gone over to ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace where you can find hundreds, if not thousands, different affiliate programs. Now, one of the mistakes that I fell into early on in my affiliate marketing career was thinking that I only had to create content in health, wealth, relationships, and technology. Now, as you can see here, there are tons of different categories. Affiliate marketing is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and most of the people making money with affiliate marketing aren't making money in health, wealth, relationships, or even technology. They're making it in things that you would never think of. Everything from like tires to simple widgets and lawnmowers, things of that nature. People are making money all over the place with affiliate marketing. The cool thing with affiliate marketing is you can do it 100% for free. You can do it with your smartphone, over on YouTube. You can do it on social media. You could have a full-time income just creating content on social media, on TikTok or Instagram, and you're simply recommending a product that's going to solve a problem for a customer or person that has a problem. So number 2 is affiliate marketing. Number 3 is actually WordPress Developer. Now, I really like this simply because it's not terribly difficult, and you can charge anywhere between $300 and $2,500 for a simple job. Now, to do this, you need clients, and there's a number of ways to get clients. You can call people in your local area and tell them, hey, look, your website looks terrible, or you can reach out, you can join something like Thumbtack. You could actually create content on YouTube and then tell people, hey, look, if you want your WordPress website done for you, I can do it for you for as little as $500 for a simple 5-page website. You can use social media to connect with people, and you don't have to spend a dime. Now, I'm over on themeforce.net. It's a website that you can go to find different WordPress themes. Now, when I first got started making money online, what I did was I actually joined Thumbtack, which is a website where people that have problems, they need different things done, and there's other people. It's kind of like, it's like Fiverr, but for different gigs and services in your local area. And so what I did was I created a gig over on Thumbtack, and when people wanted something done like a WordPress website, I'd reach out to them. I'd build a relationship, tell them what I can do, show them my experience, and then I would charge them anywhere between $300, and my wife would actually tell me that's too low, between $300 and $2,500. And then once I got half the money up front, I'd come over to this website, ThemeForce, and I would buy a WordPress theme, and WordPress theme would actually, I would download it into their web hosting, and I would set everything up. There's tons of tutorials on how to do this, but it's actually really easy, and it's a simple 5-page website. You could get done with this type of work within 3 hours, and so you'd make $100 or more per hour building simple WordPress themes. Now, another great way to make money is actually building courses on Udemy. There are tons of different ways, as you can see here when we scroll through, tons of different courses you could build. Now, my first course was in AWS, Amazon Web Services, and while I did show my face, most of the recording was a screen share where I was walking them through the process of how to do something. As you can see here, Amazon Web Services, it's a really popular topic. There's over 5,000 results for AWS. If I just show you, I'll just search my name here, and you're going to see my first couple courses were in AWS or Amazon Web Services. I since branched out to affiliate marketing, as you can see here. But it's really easy to create this, and you don't have to show your face. You don't have to spend any money. If you have a camera, if you have a computer, you can do even slide decks. So you can do PowerPoint presentations and potentially make money. But you can do this as much as you want. I actually had a goal to create a new course every week. I fell short of that goal a little bit, but you could do this if you have a bunch of time on your hands. If you don't know something, go out and study it for a little while and then show people what you've learned. The cool thing with AWS featuring SQS, this is a pretty technical. What I would do is I would actually walk people through the process of doing simple and basic things, and then I would get people on board to maybe purchase something else. But this is another great way with Udemy. And you don't just have to use Udemy. Udemy is the biggest course platform out there, and so that's what most people know, but you can also use Skillshare as well. After Udemy, you can sell digital products. Now, I really like this idea. You can sell digital products that either you find and buy yourself, or you can create them. The cool thing is a digital product is literally anything that can be bought and sold online. It can be delivered automatically. And you can do this with the help of Redbubble. You can do this with the help of your website, with Etsy, whatever it may be. But basically what you do is you go out and figure out what people want and need. You create that digital product. For example, at the beginning of this year, I created the 60-second business blueprint that showed people how to start building a following and gaining traction on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. And it only took me a weekend to create. It's 43 pages, but it's a step-by-step guide. I also included some additional training as well, but you can start off small with a small little blueprint and then eventually work your way up. You can turn this into a course that you sell yourself. And again, you could do this on a number of platforms. You could even you could sell it through PayPal and then deliver it with Google Drive. So there's a ton of ways to do it, and you don't have to spend a dime, which is really, really cool. Another way to make money is simply with email marketing. Now, a lot of people that are going to see this video are going to come from my mailing address, and you can get started 100% for free. If we click over on pricing, you're going to see that you can start for free, and you get one landing page. And what you're going to do is you're going to set that landing page up to collect leads and collect people that are interested in whatever it is that you're selling, and then you can follow up with them with email marketing to increase the chances of buying. A lot of my income comes from email marketing, and so I highly recommend it. As you can see, it's free for your first 500 contacts. And the cool thing with email marketing is you have people on your list until they decide to unsubscribe or they email you and say, stop emailing me, but you have these people on your list forever. It's a great way to keep making money every single year. Now, there are studies out there that say for every one person you have on your mailing list, you should be able to make $1 every single month. I don't know how true that is. Some people make much more than that. Some people make less, but that is a goal to shoot for. Now, after email marketing, we have blogging. Now, blogging itself, buying your own domain name and web hosting isn't free per se. You could start off for free with something like Medium, but once you purchase the domain name and web hosting, you don't have to pay for anything else. You can start your own blog and write on different topics. Now, this is a great way to make money because you can make money in a variety of ways. As you can see down at the bottom here, I have an ad. You can also make money with affiliate marketing, selling your own digital or physical products. You can collect emails. There's just so many more benefits to starting starting your own website where it can't be taken away from you. If you start a YouTube channel or, on social media, that stuff can be taken away from you. However, when you have your own website and you start blogging, that is something that is really difficult. I shouldn't say it can't be taken away. It is really difficult for something like this to be taken from you. After blogging, we have Etsy. Now, the cool thing is with Etsy, you don't have to spend a dime. What you see here at the top of the screen here are different SVGs. You could create these SVGs over on Canva or even use something like Affinity Photo, which is what I use. You can create these based on keywords and then post them right on Etsy and people can buy. For example, if we just type in SVG, and I've done this many times before on this channel, so I won't go through it again, but if we do SVG and then go through each letter of the alphabet, you can see that people are looking up different SVG quotes and SVG for Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's. You can create them, put them here, and sell them automatically. Now, what I would recommend that you do is actually pair it with YouTube or social media to help launch it off the ground faster. One of the biggest mistakes that people make when it comes to Etsy is just creating the content or creating the thing to sell, putting it up there, and then hoping that Etsy does all the work. If you do a little bit of marketing for the product, you could A, sell it for more, and B, you can actually help build more traction and traffic. But Etsy's really cool. I did a series, I think last week or the week before, with all of the different digital products you could create and sell over on Etsy and potentially make money. After Etsy, we have Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is a gig platform where you can post gigs about anything. You don't have to have any verification. You don't have to have a degree in really anything. You can just create, you can just tell people, hey, I know how to speak Spanish, for example, or I know how to do an NFT, or, I can create whatever it is, and you can post it on Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is really competitive. For example, if I just typed in like NFT, you're going to see there are hundreds of thousands of people that have these different gigs or services that are available. So 23,000 people is really hard to compete. What I recommend that you do is come up here to buyer requests. As you can see, I am actually on the other side of it. If I switch to selling, there are buyer requests that you can bid on and increase your chances of making money. So just a second ago, NFT was like 23,000. But if we go over to more here and we go to buyer requests, you can see people are creating customized individualized requests. Now, I don't have anything that I can click on, but I think this is a better opportunity for people that are just getting started with Fiverr. Now, you are limited to the number of buyer requests that you can make, but this is a cool way. This is a better way to get up and running. Once again, a big mistake that a lot of people make with Fiverr is they'll create a gig on Fiverr and then hope people will just come to them, when in most cases you need to go out and reach out to them and increase your chances. So after Fiverr, we have Freelance Writing. Now, Freelance Writing, there are tons of sites out there, iWriter, Hire Writers. There's just a number of these sites and you can make money for free. Now, what I'd recommend that you do if you have a few dollars is find a writing assistant like Jarvis, and it'll actually help you write much faster and you'll be able to get many more jobs done in a shorter amount of time. As you can see here, there are different levels. When you get started with something like iWriter, you'll start off with this lower level and then you'll have to prove yourself. And once you prove yourself and move up these ranks, you'll have the ability to make more money simply writing. But you can see here, this is just one of the many ways. Let's see if we can find, if we scroll up here, there's just one of the many ways, one of the many places that you can go to write. You can see here, you would just fill out this short form and then you can answer these questions, use something like jarvis.ai, and it'll actually help you write faster and potentially make money. Now, after freelancing, you can sell old stuff. I actually made a decent amount of money selling my old video games. In fact, one of the video games that I sold, I wish I got back. NCAA 2014 is a really popular and hot game, and I sold it over on eBay for like 20 bucks. Now, you're not going to be able to break the bank, but this is going to help you maybe make ends meet. This could pay for a dinner. You'd be surprised about how much money you can make selling old stuff. Now, what you can do is you can, look at stuff by your barcode, or you can just type it in here. For example, if I typed in like NCAA football, as you can see here, the video game I was just referring to, NCAA football 14 Xbox 360, it's only going for $34.50. Case and inserts only, no disc. They're going to sell no disc for $34.50, but you can see no disc. This game right here, it's used, pre-owned. You don't know what condition it's in, and it's selling for $90, $150, and you could potentially make money. So this is just another way, and the final way that I've got here for you today is with Facebook groups. Now, you can sell just about anything with a Facebook group. You can pair it with affiliate marketing, selling your own digital and physical products. I actually showed you how to automate your Facebook group marketing with Integromat last week. So definitely check that out if you are interested in Facebook groups. And the cool thing is there's a Facebook group for everything. If we typed in like woodworking and hit enter, you're going to see there's tons of Facebook groups of people that are interested in woodworking. What you can do is to get it started is simply just, you would want to join these other groups and provide helpful information. And then eventually once you have enough cachet, as they say, you can say, hey, look, I started a group with woodworking. Guys, come over and check it out if you're interested. And you can start seeding your own Facebook group that way. Another way that you can seed your own Facebook group is to use Integromat and then automatically upload every 4 hours. Now, the cool thing with Integromat is you can upload both video, images, as well as text, all automatically all done for you, which is really cool, really easy. So just to recap real quick, we've got YouTube, affiliate marketing, WordPress Developer, Udemy Courses, selling digital products, email marketing, blogging, Etsy, Fiverr, freelance writing, selling old stuff, and Facebook groups. Now that you know the 12 ways to make money online for free, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.